Welcome back. Imagine you're wearing a Bluetooth headset and the battery dies and there's no place to recharge. If you're looking for a solution to this common Bluetooth wireless problem, we found it. Tiger Solare, the world's first solar-powered communications headset. With Tiger Solare, the headphones are continuously recharging using the power of the sun or artificial light. That means potentially unlimited battery life. Coupled with military-grade ruggedness and 97% noise cancellation, and you have the perfect Bluetooth solution for on the road, in the office, or communing with Mother Nature, backpacking, hiking, or camping. Solare's solar cell headband provides virtually unlimited use without conventional charging. This headset is continuously charging, which eliminates the worry about battery life, ensuring that you keep your eyes on the road or the task at hand while staying connected, and you'll hear and be heard with clarity. Targeted to road warriors, truckers, outdoor enthusiasts, professional drivers, commuters, long-distance travelers, custom service reps, and Zoom callers, Tiger Solare gives you limitless talk time, play time, and continuous charging. It's IPX4 rated, water resistant, and you can monitor your charging in real time via this very cool Tiger USA app. We give Tiger Solare 5 out of 5 stars for ease of use, no hassle recharging, and the military-grade ruggedness which will take all of the abuse life has to dish out. If you'd like to learn more about Tiger Solare, simply log on to the website at bluetigerheadsets.com. We'll be right back.